In this quick video, I am going to show you how to convert written text into typed text. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So first of all, as you can see, I have this written text, which image I have clicked. So if you don't have your image, then firstly click the picture of your written text. As you can see, I have taken here. Now we need to go back to our home screen and open the Google Chrome app in your mobile. Once you open it, tap on this camera icon on the search bar, and then we'll be able to see this camera option. So if you don't click your image, then you can click the image from here as well, and then from here we'll see the images option. So tap on it. After that, it will show you all of your images. If you don't see your image here, then we can simply select the folder from here and you can select your image from that folder. But I have my image here, so I just need to select it. Once you select it, it will automatically detect text from your written text. As you can see, it has detected the text here. Now all we need to do is tap on select text, and after that it will select all of your text, but you can see it has left the text from the top side. So to select them, we just need to drag these handles to the up, and you can see the text has been selected perfectly. So to copy it, tap on copy, and after that the text will be copied to your clipboard. Now we just need to go back to our home screen and open any app where you can paste your text, like Microsoft Word document where you can paste your text, or WhatsApp, or any app. So I have this notes app, so I'll select it, and here we need to paste our text, and you can see the text has been successfully pasted from a written version. You can see the numbering and the font, everything is fine. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.